her life.
I want to help her life, not she helping my life, because
It's my turn.
I want to be like before I go back home. Sure. You do not have to wear in your salon.
Does this look like a salon?
Like,
Why didn't hey God? Let me never talk.
What's your talk?
No. What do I know? Have I ever made your hair for you before?
No.
Oh, this is going to be the first time.
Yes, no.
Oh.
You should be happy.
Last I said I was steal you. Okay, I think I know what to do.
Hello guys, so today I'll be making a friend's hair, and who remembers that red hairstyle I did the other day? She asked me to make the same for her. I know she's obsessed with me, but anyways, let's get down to it. So the first thing I did was to part the entire hair. That way it is like easier, and most of the squares will be balanced instead of parting and then plating and whatnot. So I'm parting the hair right now, but before I did this, the first thing I did was to make use of a leave-in conditioner and the hairspray, and then I decided to do a little transition for TikTok and also for shorts. And then now I'm applying the leave-in conditioner per session, and then I'm going to comb through and then divide. Her hair is also fussy hair, and her hair is tough, but with the help of the leave-in conditioner and proper detangling, it has softened up and is easier to plait. So the first thing I do is to first of all flog the roots. I make sure this is not tight at all. Yeah, this particular hairstyle can get real fast, because if you make it very free, it will loosen up from the roots faster. But either way, it's better that your scalp does not have any injury or anything that can affect your hair. So, and then I flog through or flog to the tip of the hair, and I leave gap in between. For those of you that don't know the hairstyle, the name of this hairstyle, it is called Sungaps, and this is a means of straightening your natural hair without heat. So if you do not like heat, or you know that heat affects your hair, you want to try and make sure that you do this particular style. You can leave it on for a very long period of time. Mine is over a month now, and it's still standing, but while I was making this video, I think it was about a week or 2 weeks old. Anyways, I did the same thing around the entire hair, and yeah, that's for that. Let me know if you love the hairstyle and you would like to try it. If you're seeing my video for the first time, thank you for clicking on my video to watch. You are welcome. My name is Desire, and I'm a natural hair content creator based in Kwara State. So if you love everything natural hair content, please stick around, subscribe, and keep watching. If you need me to make any video concerning anything, you can let me know in the comment, and I'll make the video concerning any topic of your choice. But then again, I also apologize for the background noise. My bad. I am currently outside, and I definitely will not be able to do this when I get home. So just like I earlier stated, if you are someone who wants to give your hair the stretch without using heat, and you want something that will not destroy your hair due to the heat, then you want to make sure you try this particular hairstyle. It's not limited to only styling it out. You can just get a thread and then part your hair into 4 or 5 or 6, and then flog your hair in this same sun gap pattern. So this hairstyle is sun gap, and it is really important that as a natural hair person, you know how to do this. Even if you don't like going to a salon to make your hair, or you do not know how to make your hair yourself, you should try to learn how to properly condition and deep condition and detangle your hair, and then you can make this sun gap hairstyle. It is really going to help with stretching your hair, and it's going to help to prevent breakage. If your hair is stretched, especially for those who have fussy hair, you will notice that your hair becomes easier to handle. You'll notice that your hair is very easy to detangle if your hair is stretched. And I think that's the reason why a lot of people make use of heat combs, make use of straighteners, make use of hot combs and the rest. And most of them that make use of this heat products or this hot products or tools do not exactly protect their hair properly before doing it. They don't have proper pre-heating care, neither do they have proper post hair care. So you need to make sure that you always use heat protectants if you're going to make use of heat, and it's also advisable that you do not consistently make use of heat, or because you want your hair stretched or easier to manage, because in the process of making your hair easier to manage, you might actually just put your hair at more risk to breakage, and your hair might just be in a position whereby you start having split ends, which in turn, if it's not early, if it's not noticed early, it will eventually split upwards and still destroy the other good parts of your hair. So eventually you're going to end up losing your hair, and you're not going to have any hair generally, all because you're trying to make your hair easy to manage. So it is very, very important that you protect your hair properly, reduce the amount of heat you make use of on your hair, and make sure that you invest or you learn how to make use of heatless coils like this, or did I say heatless coils? More like putting your hair in protective styles that would naturally stretch your hair without you having to make use of any hot tools.
No, Didi said my hair is very healthy.
Rest.
She said it with her mouth. Her mouth go.
Is
She
it
said,
true
she
now?
said, oh my God, hurry me,
Look at, you guys should see the hair. Look at now. It's very healthy. Like, see.
I'm blushing.
Ah, voila.
No, there's nothing. The interview is 3 minutes.
Wahala.
Okay. Yeah.
Allow me to blush in
Yeah, I
peace.
think you
I beg.
now you to just tell me now for mouth. No help me find mouth.
Look at that dress.
Something that me I would use and do TikTok. Do another one when it's complete. I'm supposed to do there was before you. I don't want to use that song when I first lose my dread.
Never can tell the one that'll make you blow.
Yeah, actually.
Said I'll always be friend.
So overall, I think this hair took us about 3 hours. At the end of the video, we're going to be adding some beads to it to just give it accessorize and whatnot. Beads were also added to mine. One thing with this hairstyle is it can be styled the way it is, but I think, or I believe, that it is finer. It's more beautiful when you have it accessorized with beads and so on. But I've come to understand one thing, that not everybody loves accessories on their hair. Personally, I love it. If you go through my videos, whatever hairstyle I make with my hair itself without extensions, I can't remember the last time I used extension. Okay, this is a new year, let's say 4 years ago. So whatever hairstyle I make with just my natural hair, I always try to accessorize, especially with beads. I have like a poly bag, this small size poly bag filled with beads, and that's how much I love beads, especially the brown beads. I love it so much, and it makes the hair just look very good. This is the last one. This is the last flogging we are making, or I don't know, Sungap we are making, and it has been a long journey with this woman in this house. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, let me know. If you learned one thing or the other, let me know. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Lastly, happy new year once again to you. See you in my next video. Ciao.
Oh my God! That's my hair!
The time you like that, you've also been jealous.
Yes, jealous of your ear, to be precise. So I can relate.
No, she's finally confessing. Yeah, shake it.
Come on, give me mentor.
Beggy.
The funniest part is that it's not seafood I eat and I'm drinking it. This face too sharp.
Let's have story. Right.
I understand, big sis. You can feel your pain.
Because your hair cannot relate.
Yes, that is. And that's a period.
Not clocked it yet though.
Clock it! Remember I needed to give that one my award in church? That one that appeared in that video. That's why Pastor Raphael was like, everybody say clock it! We're like, clock it!
Like that one that owns that clock.
Ew! You Martina started laughing. Like it was so nice.
Oh, my body is doing me kish.
Which award did she collect?
I can't remember, but
Big sis, my body is doing me kish.
because of oiling your scalp. For the oil.
Yes.
It's not the hair itself, it's the scalp because of what it's saying. dandruff like stuff you're having.
Even the interview service, no, it must be do video because even better than interview.
And did not do video. I was even thinking they even did video first. But it's still good as they did video.
Nigerians just like, Nigerians like overdoing now, big. And then I'll not make me travel too.
Bye.